Hello, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Today we have a Beats Studio 2 wired headset. There's a charging port problem. It's not charging, there's a bad connection, and today we are going to replace that part. First, you pull the ear pad off. I have a pry tool. Just pry around the edges. Comes right up. There's screws holding the speaker in and the charge port in. There are two of them. Make sure to keep those separate when you unscrew. When they're all off, the casing comes off easily. Don't pull too hard. Once you have it open, you will see a rubber piece right there. You can remove that, it comes right off. Now you can see the charger port. It's green, positive and negative connection. It pops right out. Sometimes these get worn out. The pad will come off. This piece here will come off. Here's a replacement part which we sell at Central Sound on our Amazon store. This is for the wireless studio headset, Studio 2. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you need parts, click the link below to buy now. Okay, now we have a close-up. I have my soldering iron here. Right above that J3 is the negative. We're going to go ahead and heat that up and disconnect the negative first. Here we go. That's done. We'll go ahead and disconnect the positive, the red, next. See that? Okay, it's completely disconnected. Remove the old part out. There's the new part. There we go, it's connected. Now that that's together, make sure everything is flush and lined up. Then you could start putting in the screws. Remember, the two screws you put aside for the charge port are different than the rest. Once all the screws are screwed in, attach the ear pad piece, line it up correctly, put some pressure down on it all the way around. You can use adhesive if you need to. A little super glue or rubber cement would be just fine. It's all done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you need parts, click the link below to buy now.